Hi guys, welcome to the GitHub course. In this course, we will cover about the GitHub. If you are working in a team as a team member or working as a team lead, this course will teach you that how to work on the same projects even we have multiple developers and how to merge their code into the one repository. So we are going to first create the GitHub account. After that, we will create a branch, then we will push our code there, and then we will pull that code from another branch. Then we will merge those branches with each other and push the final code to the master repo. So this is the overall steps that if you are working in a team, so you need to collaborate with the other developers. So you can do this using the Git, right? So we learned that what is Git, what is GitHub, and basically this one is a complete demo that if you are joining a team, you must watch this course to learn that how to resolve the conflicts, how to push the code, how to merge the branches, and so on things. So join me on this course to learn about this Git and GitHub.